Hey artists, how about we draw this beautiful face together, step by step, one pencil only. Ready for the challenge? Stay till the end. Let's go. A lot of you still don't know where the Loomis circle goes. Let me simplify it. In a front view face, the circle should begin at the top of the skull, not the top of the hair. Think of the head without any hair at all. Draw your circle from the start of the skull down to roughly the upper jaw. You'll notice empty spaces on both sides, and that's exactly what we'll talk about next. Now for step 2, we find the center point, the spot where the vertical line meets the horizontal one. From that center point, draw your horizontal guideline with a slight curve. It passes through the eyebrows and heads toward the top of each ear. That's your eyebrow line. And from the same center point, drop a clean vertical line straight down to split the face perfectly in half. These two lines are your map for building the entire face. Alright, now look at the distance between the eyebrow line and the nose line. Place a small mark where the nose will go. That distance you just created? Repeat it once above the brows for the brow to hair area and once below the nose for the nose to chin area. That gives you 3 perfectly equal spaces. Quick note, if you want the full Loomis course, starting from 0 all the way to mastering every head angle, we built a complete step-by-step program just for you. It's detailed, fast, and designed to level you up quickly. And right now, it's 30% off. Just tap the product image on your screen or check the link in the description to grab the course while the discount is still active. Remember those side spaces? That's the skull's side cut. Start by marking the 2 ends of the eyebrows. That's your starting point. Then draw a line from the hairline down to the circle, passing through that eyebrow end. That's the correct size for the side cut in a front view face. To build the lower jaw correctly, place 2 straight lines inside the right and left side cuts, slightly angled inward. From those 2 lines, start shaping the jaw and connect them to the chin line we marked earlier. And that gives you a clean, accurate outline of the jaw with proper proportions. Now don't forget the 2 guidelines that set the width of the mouth. They start from the sides of the chin on both sides, curve upward, and aim toward the top of the ear. Even if the ears aren't visible, we still imagine where they would be, just like we always do. After that, add some simple, sketchy lines for the neck and the start of the shoulders, a small circle for the nose bump, and round sockets for the eyes on the left and right. The mouth width is already locked in by those 2 blue lines we drew earlier. Hold up! Don't close the video yet! We haven't really done anything big. This is just the setup. Keep going. Follow the features step by step and you'll end up with a complete, finished drawing. Don't rush it. Draw with me. Also, don't forget, there's a 30% off special offer on the full Loomis course right now. You'll find the course links in the description. Grab it while the discount is active and take your Loomis skills to the next level.